Okay, probability, so easy. So Mary and Naveed play 2 games of table tennis against each other. For each game they play, the probability that Mary wins is 0.32. So you've probably seen this many times already, but hey, let's do it. So if Mary wins is 0.32, that means it's 0.32. There is no difference between each game. It's always a fixed win. She doesn't suddenly get better in the next game. Okay, that means if it's 0.32, that means the probability that Naveed win would be the remaining, so it'll be 1 minus 0.32, which is actually 68%, so 0.68. So go ahead and put that everywhere, guys, yeah? And you get 2 marks for this, so this is easy 2 marks. Now, work out the probability that Mary wins exactly 1 game of table tennis. So to win exactly 1 game, we're looking at like this. So let's let Mary win be the first game, yeah? So Mary wins the first game and then loses the second, yeah? Or this can happen if Mary loses the first game and then wins the second. So we have to kind of literally put every single option out there. So for Mary to win the first game, it will be 0.32. And for her to lose the second game, it will be 0.68. Now, if Mary loses the first game, again, is 0.68, and she wins the second game, 32. So now all you want to do is work out these probabilities and then add them up as a total. So in your calculator, write them both out, so 0.32 times 0.68, and you should get 0.2176 for both. So therefore, adding them both, and the probability that Mary wins at least 1 game, the total probability will be 0.4352. Easy. All right, here we go. Next part, guys. So in a fridge, there are only 3 bottles of water, 5 bottles of orange juice, and 2 bottles of cola. Okay, so I'm just gonna guess and assume that they won't add them up. So there's a total of 10 bottles in the fridge. Okay, let's stick with that for now. So after their games of table tennis, Mary takes at random a bottle from the fridge, and then Naveed takes at random a bottle from the fridge, right? So far this is independent from the games, as far as I know. Work out the probability that Mary and Naveed both take a bottle of the same type of drink. All right, so one thing to know, when Mary takes a bottle, it's gone. So that means there'll be 9 bottles left. So Naveed will take one of the remaining 9 bottles. So in order to get the same type of drink, here is the probabilities. So remember, Mary first, Naveed second. So if Mary takes it first, so suppose Mary takes water first, we need to find probability that Naveed takes water next. So the other common probabilities would be orange first and orange again, or cola first and cola again. So probability getting water first would be 3 out of 10, meaning there's now 2 waters left out of 9 bottles. The probability taking orange first would be 5 out of 10, meaning there's 4 now for Naveed. And probably taking cola first is 2 out of 10, and that means there's 1 left for Naveed over 9. And that's it. Now all you do is literally, like the previous question, calculate the probabilities and then total them up. Find the total probability. So very straightforward. So 3 times 2 is 6 over 90. 5 times 4 is 20 over 90. And 2 times 1 is 2 over 90. And if you add them all up, 6 plus 20 plus 2 divided by 90, you should get, 28 over 90, which is the same as 14 out of 45.